creamy tofu in a delicious broth. This is a dish that truly celebrates the flavor of dashi. My favorite way of eating tofu in Japanese cuisine has to be Agedashi Tofu. The warm dashi broth is so comforting and matches perfectly with creamy deep-fried tofu. This is one of the dishes I miss the most when I travel abroad. For Japanese people, the flavor of dashi runs through our veins and gives every person a sense of home. So make sure you check out my dashi video. Start by cutting a 350-gram block of silken tofu into 8 pieces. Place them onto some kitchen paper to soak up the liquid from the tofu. Cover the tofu with some more kitchen paper and leave it for 15 minutes. Daikon radish is such a unique vegetable. The top end is sweet and soft, and the tail end is spicy and firm. Today we are making daikon oroshi, so I prefer to use the top end. Finally grate the daikon. Daikon has a lot of water content, so make sure to squeeze out the water before adding to the dish. Finally grate some ginger. And chop up some spring onion. Now let's cook the tofu. Pour some rice oil into a wok or pot. Turn on the heat and set to medium. Place some wooden chopsticks in the oil. Once tiny bubbles appear, it's ready to cook. Lightly dust the tofu with some potato starch. Tap the tofu to remove any excess starch. Then gently slide the tofu into the oil. Turn over the tofu to cook evenly on both sides. In this size wok, I'm only cooking 4 pieces of tofu, so the oil temperature doesn't drop too much. Once the outside is crispy, remove the tofu from the wok. Then repeat the process to cook the remaining tofu. Place the tofu into a bowl. Then add the grated daikon, ginger, and spring onion. Gently pour the hot dashi sauce into the bowl. Sprinkle with bonito flakes. And lastly, some nori flakes. The warmth and the flavor of dashi just fills your whole body. It has to be the best way to eat tofu. Have you ever wanted to make your favorite Japanese dishes at home? Subscribe to my channel and discover easy to make dishes packed with umami.